now approaching Brighton where this service terminates. Please make sure you have your bags and personal belongings with you before leaving the train and keep them with you at all times while on the station. So please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge. And if you can have your tickets ready for the automatic barriers and gate line staff. Once again, this is Brighton, all change, please, all change.
This is coach number. We are now approaching Brighton. Please mind the gap.